Hi everyone, this is Andy Donahue coming to you live from the NAB show 2018 here in Las Vegas. We're at the Killer Tracks booth and excited to tell you all the new music and wonderful things we have in store for everyone this year. One of the big things that we're going to be debuting at this show is the extension panel for Adobe Premiere Pro. So all of you Adobe Premiere Pro users out there, you're now going to be able to download an extension panel, access our music, go right into your workflow, save you guys time. We are also going to be showcasing our new Cue Sheet Helper program. Everyone knows how much headache or extra time cue sheets can be, so you can easily run your XML file through this program and save yourself plenty of time. You get all your Killer Tracks cues seen on one sheet, so you can send them to your PROs. As far as music, we just released an amazing new hip-hop album called Epic Beats that is made in the likes of Black Panther. It's some really epic orchestral with hip-hop beats over it. So if you saw the Black Panther movie, there's lots of great music like that. So this should be really, it's been great for sports, movie trailers. We're also, we just released 15 new albums this week. They're live on our site now for the first day of the show. And great movie trailer music, a lot of cinematic with vocals, which is a big trend for trailers, TV promos. Not just hard-hitting trailer music, but also adding vocal beds and give things a lot more flavor. So we got plenty of other things in store. We have a new artist series album coming out with a gentleman by the name of Mike Peters, who's the lead singer of the UK band Alarm, that should be out in the next few weeks. And that is also in conjunction with his charity Love, Hope, Strength, which is a bone marrow registry to help people survive cancer. So we've got a lot of new exciting things. Please check us out, killertracks.com. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook at Killer Tracks. And once again, I'm Andy Donahue. Have a great day, and we're happy when music matters. Look to Killer Tracks. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. For the latest news in post-production, go to postperspective.com and sign up for our weekly newsletter. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.